This week, we are going to go through operator overloading. So there's just a couple articles for you to read on operator overloading. And then we have our lecture demo. Operator overloading is actually pretty cool because you can do something like this. You can create a couple objects and then you can actually add the objects together, or you can subtract from them, or you can add one to the object. So it actually makes it look like you are doing arithmetic on your class objects. And that is pretty cool. So this kind of walks you through operators you can overload and how you might go about overloading them. And there's plenty of examples for you to look at. And there's videos embedded. Once you get done with that, you're going to do the lab assignment. And so the first two exercises, you are going to get practice creating overloaded operators. Okay, and this is just very simple. This first one, you basically have a class and you have one property. And then you're going to overload operators. So I've got, the places where your code goes for those overloaded operators. Okay, and then I've got, comments where the code goes in different places where you're actually going to be using the overloaded operators. For more details, please watch the video because that will explain the entire assignment, exercise 1 and also exercise 2. So the second one, you're also going to overload operators, and you can see I'm actually put in comments where they need to go. So as you go through here, you'll copy and paste all of this. So you should probably be happy that you don't have to code this all out. And then you will have to create those methods. So you're going to be doing the operator plus and operator minus overloaded methods. And again, the video goes into more detail on what exactly you have to do. For exercise 3, you're going to do your own. So at this point, you've seen a couple different examples. You've actually coded some up. You've got this log class. You've got a calculator class. The lecture demo went through a trip. So you're going to do your own class. So if you're looking for ideas, inventory, some kind of a list, you do need to have a class with a numeric property in it. Okay. And then you're going to do one overloaded unary operator. So plus, plus, minus, minus, the plus sign, but this is not addition. This is making it a positive number. And this would be making it a negative number. Okay. And then you've got one comparison that you're going to overload. If you use less than or greater than, you have to do both, even though you might not use both. Visual Studio is going to require that both be overloaded. And then you've got a binary operator. And a binary, this is the normal plus. A binary means that you've got something on each side of the operator. So like trip 1 plus trip 2. You have to have something on both sides. So we've got the minus sign, the asterisk, the slash for division, and modulus. In the main method, you have to do at least 2 objects, and then you have to use the different overloaded operator methods. Okay, and so what you're going to end up doing with this is doing a little demo for the class and sharing it. So that little demo is going to go in here. And so you're going to demo the program you created in exercise 3, videotape your demo, upload the video to the discussion, and then describe what you found easy, what you found difficult, and what you would do differently next time. And then you'll find 5 programs you like and post a reply to your classmates. So I did an example. If nobody else, or if you don't have enough to reply to, you can certainly reply to mine. I actually created a program for this, and I did a workout. And so I would suggest trying to pick something that you're interested in. I thought coding up the class itself was not hard. I thought that was the easiest part. And the hardest part for me was figuring out what the heck to do it on. So, because you have to have a number, some kind of a numeric thing. So that was what was hardest for me. It'll be interesting to see what you guys think. And here's what I would do differently next time. Okay? And so you guys will have to do something like that as well. And once you share your overloaded program, there is a unit quiz, chapters 15 through 22. And you can see that the date that it opens and closes on. You do get to take this 3 times, and it's going to record your highest score. The point ranges are from 1 to 4. And the good news is you do not have to do write programs for this. So for those of you that really enjoyed that programming aspect of the last quiz, you might be disappointed, but the rest of you may feel relieved. It's multiple choice. There could be multiple answer for a question, but if there is more than one correct, it will tell you how many to pick. There's some drop downs, code completion. There may be some arranging of code, some dragging code into the right spots. But for this one, everything is going to be scored immediately when you submit the test. And you are not going to see the correct answers until the test closes. Okay, and it will close on the 15th. So you can see that I'm giving you a little extra time because you can take this 3 times. And I want you guys to take it all 3 times because you tend to do better. And then you can see I've got the campus tutoring and some more information on .NET operator overloading in our resource section. So if you do run into problems or if you have any questions at all, please let me know and have an awesome week.